Take a Stitch Tuesday, week 11 is feather stitch. Now, as a beginner, I would either draw 4 parallel lines on the fabric or these little dots from this stitch guide, the diamond grid stitch guide. And we're going to start on the top line, coming in through the back. Going to go over 2 lines to this dot and then come up at the dot in the second line. See? And pull through. If you want to pause the video and take photos, might be a good idea. So I'll stop each time so that you can take a photo. Wrap the needle around, wrap the thread around the needle, and then pull through. Take a Stitch Tuesday was designed for beginners in mind so that you learn the stitches in a manner that's easy to learn, so you don't get to the feather stitch until week 11, because it's not the easiest stitch to do. So if I were a beginner, I would start with Take a Stitch Tuesday, week 11, week 1 rather, and do the running stitch. And that is feather stitch.